Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy Floki Inu on your Coinbase wallet. So once you're on your Coinbase wallet, you tap on buy. So once you tap on buy over here, you see a couple of options over here. So first and foremost, you need to come and tap on the network there. So once you tap on the network, you can see that you have a lot of networks. So what you'll do is simple. Tap on this over here, then select the token you want to buy. So from this case, tap on this drop down arrow up there, then choose all networks. So once you choose all networks, you can go back. So once you go back, tap on this again, and then choose all networks once again. So once you choose all networks, now come over here and then search for Floki. So once you search for Floki over here, sorry, I'll just take it up. I'll take it back a bit. I'll delete this. Alright, so you search for that, then come and choose that token over there. Okay. So once you're done choosing that token, input the number of dollars you want to use to buy this token, the Floki Inu token. So I'll input $260. So this means I'll be getting Floki Inu tokens that are worth $250 or $260. So for this case, I'll be getting 1,942 Floki Inu tokens. So over here, tap on this and then select my payment method. You can choose a debit card. So for this case, I'll choose debit card. Then input all my details, then continue to Coinbase and then make the payment. And that's how simple it is, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.